Hey everybody, Homer Simpson here, live from my personal Wall Street, which is, you know, my couch. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of, money stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button for the Finance channel. Marge says if I get enough subscribers, she'll let me buy the extra squeaky cheese. Alright, let's talk about something that's been bugging me more than that one spring that pokes me right in the, well, you know. It's called inflation. So today we are gonna learn about inflation, just like my fridge full of Duff beer. Imagine this. You have $10. That's enough for a glorious box of Lard Lad donuts. You put that $10 under the couch cushion for safekeeping. A year later you pull it out, dreaming of that sweet, sweet glaze. You go to Lard Lad, but now the same box costs $12. Your $10 can't even buy the whole box anymore. You can maybe get the donuts with the weird sprinkles nobody likes. That's inflation! It's like your money went on one of those diets Marge is always talking about, and now it's all weak and skinny. Your money is still $10, but it buys you less stuff. No! So, what's a guy to do? You can't just let your money sit there getting nibbled away like a donut left in a room with me. You gotta make your money work for you. You need to invest. Think of it like this. Instead of just eating a delicious, crusty burger, what if you could plant the sesame seeds from the bun and grow a whole crusty burger tree? That tree would grow more burgers for you. That's what investing does. It makes your money grow more money, so you can keep up with those sneaky price increases. Now, there are a few reasons why Apu suddenly wants more of my hard-earned cash for a squishy. First, there's what the smarty pants call demand pull inflation. Let's say Duff Man announces a new beer, Duff Platinum, and suddenly everyone in Springfield wants it. We all rush to Moe's Tavern, but Moe only has one keg. What's he gonna do? He's gonna jack up the price. There's way more demand for beer than there is beer. That's you and all your buddies pulling the price up just because you want it so bad. Then there's cost push inflation. Imagine the price of cows goes up. Maybe they're demanding better living conditions. I don't know. Krusty the Clown still needs to make his famous Krusty burgers. But since the meat is more expensive, he has to charge more for the burger to make a profit. It's not that more people are buying burgers, it's that the stuff in the burger costs more. The high price is getting pushed onto you. No! And here's the really crazy one. Monetary inflation. Suppose Mr. Burns accidentally leans on the print money button at the power plant and gives everyone $1 million bonus. Woohoo! We're all rich. We all run to the Quickie Mart to buy out the entire supply of Buzz Cola. Apu sees us all waving wads of cash around. He's not stupid! He knows our money isn't special anymore, so he raises the price of everything. A can of Buzz Cola now costs $500. Our giant piles of money are suddenly not so giant. And if things get really out of hand, you get hyperinflation. That's when Mayor Quimby decides to solve all of Springfield's problems by printing endless Springfield dollars. At first, it's a party. Everyone's buying a new car. But soon, you need a wheelbarrow full of cash just to buy a single comic book from Comic Book Guy. The money becomes more worthless than a guarantee from a politician. So, inflation isn't some monster under the bed. It's just life. But you don't have to let it eat your lunch money. By making your money grow through smart choices, you can stay ahead of the game. You can make sure that a year from now, you can still afford that beautiful, perfect, glorious box of donuts. Invest today, so tomorrow you can buy more donuts.